MCP is a new way to access data via like ChatGPT or Claude. This is basically, I can set up a server that connects to any application I want. It could be Copilot, Zoho Sprints, and I could set it up so that anything that I can do in CRM Copilot can be done right here through Claude. And I'll give you an example using like Zoho CRM, right? So if you go to Claude now, you should see, new features like this: Drive search, Gmail search. But one of the things that you can do with Claude is integrate Zapier. And the Zapier integration is really an MCP server. It's a server that was configured to talk to Zapier, right? So now that I have Zapier in here, I can ask a simple question like this: how many tickets came in today via Zoho Desk? So right now, how many tickets came into Zoho Desk today? It tells me ticket 2714, ticket 2713, email cadence. This looks like Canvas Forum. So MCP is a protocol, model context protocol. You set that up so that your tools like Claude or ChatGPT can connect to those tools.